The second pirouette was a bit big. The collected walk was certainly sufficient. Let's do it again.
Yeah, Jennifer, why don't we school the left one first, and instead of just doing a half pirouette, we school him right here, a moment on the circle, and we do even in walk once a full pirouette, yeah? To really ensure that he takes every single step the same, that there's not one step shorter, that he's not stepping against your outside leg, yeah? So that we school even in walk the pirouettes, and instead of just doing a half pirouette, we're doing a few full pirouettes. I'd like to see him a little bit more active there, Liz. Yeah? And let's go, yes, let's keep this rhythm, let's keep on going. Once more round, yeah?
My comments in the test, if I was doing it, would be needs more active inside hind
Yes.
and a bit big. Now, she's schooling them, but those would be my comments.
Yeah.
I am happy that she's bending this horse. Again,
Right.
so many times we see riders trying to ride them straight.
Absolutely. The horse should be bent into the direction, and that's also eventually the same idea in the canter pirouette. This one was better? Yeah?
And remember to keep sitting to the inside. So many riders ride the first quarter of the pirouette with their weight back into the inside, and they hit the second half, and they do the exact opposite, which just makes it twice as difficult for the horse.
Yeah.
Sit left, sit left.
Yeah. Good. And we can also even talk about the aids for the walk pirouette. What I liked, the way Jennifer did it, she didn't take her outside leg too far back. And that gives me the impression that the horse is sensitive enough. We have the responsiveness to the leg. Yeah, we don't need to bag him constantly to keep stepping with his hind legs. Jennifer was able to push the heel down, and it was not the spur that was turning the horse. The horse was sensitive from Jennifer's outside calf, and the inner leg stayed on the horse and ensured that the shoulders are not turning too much. Yeah? That was also a good reaction. The moment the horse felt a little bit slightly behind the leg, and Jennifer made a correction and pushed him really forward. Yeah? Okay. And it's also a very good idea to do sometimes just a quarter pirouette. When we make it a little bit tighter, it can happen that horses feel behind the leg. Yeah? But again, we're talking right now about a test situation where we have to make the pirouette as good as we can. That's why we should make it tight. Yeah? Even if he's behind the leg, we got to think about the test and the show situation.
And Jennifer was asking me earlier, it's still too big. Jennifer was asking me earlier about the walk. She says somewhere along the line somebody's been commenting about him getting a little bit striding in front. I can see where he's starting to do this now. He didn't the first time. He's probably getting a little bit tense because we've been tuning on him a bit here in the pirouettes. Anytime you get a collected walk, again, there's some things you can camouflage. And you're really not camouflaging them that well because we're, as judges, I'd like to say we're not stupid. We don't miss you camouflaging, but what it is, it's a very smart thing to do. So if you have a walk that is not always 4-beat, or a walk that gets a little bit tense in the shoulder, again, if you ride a little bit shoulder 4, you can often break up the walk and keep yourself in a mark that's 5 or above, as opposed to dropping to one that's a 4 with a comment, loss of rhythm, or at times lateral.
Okay, Jennifer, we'd also like to see your half pass from the right side, yeah, in canter, finishing at X, and then preparing the halt with the rein back, yeah? Together, from K to X, half pass right, and then the halt and the rein back, yeah? Good, now get the straightness, making sure the haunches don't stay to the right. A bit crooked. Oh. And next time, much slower in the rein back, Jennifer. Yeah? No big deal. We do it once more.
The half pass was nice.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay.
It's still a nice half pass.
Good. Nicely uphill. Collect him, nice and straight. And
The horse came straighter from the half pass into the canter this time.
Slowly the rein back.
Okay, maybe, Stefan, you can help her a little bit here. I like her departure back into canter. It's clean, it's not hurried, it's relaxed. What I don't like is her canter halt.
Canter halt.
And the rein back, he gets too low and...
Okay. Yeah, Jennifer, what we see here, I still like to see a little bit more collection before the halt, yeah? That is always easy to say. We know already he's anticipating this movement there. We should do it now in a different direction. We're going this time towards A and try it once over there. Yeah. But what I like the way you came down center line in the very beginning when we asked you to enter. Yeah. We really saw that you prepared the halt and you almost asked for a canter that we use in the pirouette. Yeah. You had him that much collected. You had such a high degree of collection. Yeah. And then the transition was smooth into the halt. It was not abrupt. Yeah, that's the canter we're looking for before the halt. Yeah, so we get it smoother uphill, and then remember when you feel he is in the halt a little bit resistant. Yeah, and he doesn't want to respond to your aid to the rein back. Don't keep on asking. Ease up a moment. Yeah, getting a moment comfortable again, and then re-ask, so to speak. Yeah, M to X, half pass right. Yeah. And then at X, thinking about straightness, and then really preparing the halt, yeah? Making sure he's really collected, yeah? Nicely uphill. Good. And now go ahead. Collect, 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 collect. And now smooth and uphill. A little better. Yes. Uphill now, and slowly into the rein back, on the snaffle rein. And canter. So.
Better.
Yeah, it's a little better. Liz, I'm sorry, Jennifer. Very important that we don't get an extra step there for the rein back. Yeah, that can sneak in. Yeah, that's why we want to think about, sometimes even about after the third stride of rein back, you want to think already forward again. Yeah, not that he sneaks in 5 strides there. Yeah.